Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add code to the head or footer HTML of a content here in Hubspot. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in HubSpot, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To add custom code such as tracking scripts, styles, or other HTML JavaScript to the head or footer of your HubSpot pages, you just need to follow these simple steps. Number one is once you're logged into your HubSpot, you might want to go to the web pages. Right now, I am on the email section. I'm going to exit this. I'm going to the content wherein there's going to be the option for the website pages. Okay. Now, once you are here, now if you haven't already, you might want to click on the get started if this is your first time to create a website page. I'm going to use something like this one for now. Select template. And then from here, I need you to go to the settings. Now go to the advanced section, and there's going to be where you can put in the additional code snippets or footer HTML. Now here, I'm going to put in the code. Okay. You can also put in the head HTML. I'm going to click on this one. And once you are happy with that, all you have to do is click on save. All right. And that's how you add code to the head or footer HTML of your HubSpot content. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.